and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, giving them a like, leaving a comment. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana, feel welcomed. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health to make sure that we live or we have a healthy lifestyle. So today I want us to prepare home remedy for a common cold. When you have just a flu, you don't want to take the medication, or just maybe before you take your medication, a remedy that can help you, especially this time of COVID. Everybody is complaining of the common cold and also the sore throat. So today we are going to prepare a remedy that can help you in the recovery when you have a common cold. Maybe you can then get to know the comment section. What do you usually use for home remedy when you have a common cold? So let's get direct to our ingredients. So here are our ingredients. Remember, when you have a cold, it's all about boosting your immune system, and vitamin C is very essential or very important when it comes to treatment or curing a common cold. So we have a big orange. Then I have a pineapple, good source of vitamin C again. We have a lemon, good source of vitamin C. Then we have garlic, grated garlic, and also we have ginger. Remember, all these ingredients like the garlic and ginger, very important because they have anti-inflammatory properties. So you're going to blend all of these to make our home remedy for a common cold. Then I have a melon here. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it, because I don't want to add any water. Just in case I need to add water, you're going to use the watermelon water. So let's get to blend our ingredients. I had washed my hands. My hands are clean. So we're just going to blend. Maybe I can first start with my melon. By the way, ni nani hana homa? Everybody is complaining of cold, sore throat. It may not be necessarily COVID, but when it persists, just go for the test. Because right now, everybody is just complaining of homa, and sore throat. So it's good to always check your immune system. Take your vitamin C rich foods, and those include your pineapple, your oranges, and also your lemon. So let's first blend our melon. It's fine. We put it aside just in case we need it. We need to add water. This is what you're going to use instead of using plain water. So now we can put our garlic, ginger, and also the amount is very important. Like ukiweka ginger mingi unaweza haribu everything. And like I have said, these are good. They are spices or herbs. They are good when it comes to the anti-inflammatory properties. Oh my goodness, my knife is so blunt. Then you're going to use this orange. And everything here is vitamin C good source. And actually, note that pineapple, they are more packed with vitamin C compared to the oranges. So if you want to boost your immune more, you can always incorporate the two, the oranges and pineapple. So our orange, I think you're going to use everything. And also, instead of maybe drinking those bitter, the dawa, the one that we make boiling, ndimu, the lemon, ginger, garlic, turmeric, sometimes it can be bitter. And when you're used to consuming such bitter stuff, they're not good for your stomach. You might corrode your stomach lining. So even if you want to eat your ndimu, your lemon, all those bitter stuffs, make sure that you put in at least something sweet to reduce the acidity, because you might be treating the common cold, but you're laying a foundation for stomach issues. You might start even you might have issues with the stomach acid, start having the acid reflux, ulcers, hyperacidity, all those. So tusizoea sana kukunywa vitu bitter. You can always make something sweet but very medicinal. So let's put our pineapple. And if you have realized, all these ingredients, they are very cheap and also high. They are very affordable. For the lemon, you're not going to blend it, but instead you're going to squeeze the juice. So I'm just going to blend the pineapple, oranges, ginger, and garlic. So let's blend these ingredients. I can just bring this thing here. Yeah. Now I think our dawa is ready. After that, you're going to strain the juice. You can take it that way, or you can strain. You can strain the juice. Use a big sieve. You can use this one. It's big. Remember, you can take it that way. Actually, it looks like a smoothie. But just in case you want a juice, you can always strain. You can always prepare a remedy comfortably at home. Sio tu ukisneeze ushakimbilia cetirizine and all those medicines. Before you think of taking those medicines, if it's just a common cold, you can prepare your remedy. This is the residue. You can eat it or discard it. Like right now, like everybody has a cold. This is the time just to boost your immune system, just in case hata COVID ikupate, your immune system is ready to respond. So it's always good to always consume immune boosting fruits like the lemon, oranges, those citrus fruits, your pineapple. And also, you're not boosting our immune system to make it ready for COVID. It is to attack any disease, any infection, just in case. I think we are done with straining the juice. And also this juice is a good alternative. After umechemsha your ndimu, after boiling your lemon, ginger, and also adding honey, the common dawa that we know, you can alternate that one with this one. Like I have said, don't consume extreme bitter stuffs in the name of dawa. You can always make something sweet, which is very beneficial and medicinal. So right now you're going to squeeze the juice in our lemon. Remember, here we only have the ginger, garlic, orange, and the pineapple. So you're going to squeeze the juice and add it. Because this lemon is very juicy. Don't know whether you can see. I think that's enough for now. Then I'm going to add the juice going to add it here. And also I feel like adding, it's thick. Actually, you can make it a smoothie. So I feel like adding some watermelon water. And now this is our juice, the remedy. Wow, very sweet. The ingredients that we have used, you've seen, they are very affordable. You can just find them anywhere, and very sweet. You don't have to drink those bitter herbs. This is our medicinal juice, a remedy for a common cold or flu. Simple ingredients and also simple recipe, because you only need your melon, your ginger, garlic, lemon, pineapple, and some oranges to make such a healthy and medicinal juice. So let me get to know in the comment section, what is your home remedy for a common cold when you don't want to go the medicine way? You can let me get to know in the comment section, and also give this video a like, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. Share this video and also subscribe for more of the nutrition tips, nutrition counseling, and nutrition education. Bye bye.